Good morning. During the quarantine, I just tried to do yoga every day, and I kind of create a habit, and I'm so happy for that. Right now I can't like wake up without doing some sport. I mean, just when I don't have some time, like today, I'll explain you why just after that. I do stretching, at least like 15-20 minutes of stretching in the morning, and so it keeps me energized during the whole day. If I have more time, I do like the proper workout, and it's so cool. Like, I really recommend you just to try to create this habit, doing some sport in the morning, and it really helps.
So right now I can say for you, good morning, really good morning. And you know, like I drink coffee that is like has very strange color, and it's because I mix espresso with orange juice, and it's really tasty. I've just discovered this kind of combination a long time ago, and I keep drinking this kind of drink every morning. Not every morning, but very often, let's say. And for me, just all of this, the day starts with a breakfast. And obviously I don't cook such a breakfast every day. It's because it's sort of a special day, and I decided to cook really nice, good looking, beautiful breakfast. But I do the breakfast every day. I can't start the day without the breakfast. And it shouldn't be in a rush, right? It should be like really conscious eating, and normally I do oats or cottage cheese, Russian cottage cheese, or yogurt with granola. Yeah, something like breakfast kind of thing. Sometimes it eggs, but depends really. This kind of breakfast I do really not quite often, but still I do it. And one just very important recent discovery is that before I used to eat breakfast, and at the same time I would watch YouTube or read or like have a call or something like that, and I discovered that it's not really good, because it's just, you have so many things in your mind and you are not like concentrated on eating. And right now just I changed my habit, and I only listen to chill music that you can see in the background, and yeah, I just think, eat, and it really starts my day. I don't have any unnecessary thoughts while watching TV, while watching something, because I don't watch anything during the breakfast. And it's really cool. I really recommend you to try not to watch anything or read anything while eating. There is a difference. And I hope the day will be productive, very fun, and I'll enjoy it. So yeah, bon appetit. Yeah, let me eat my breakfast. Let me finish my breakfast.
About planning. So I try to plan my week at the end of the previous week. How do I plan? Basically, I have some meetings, some lessons that I cannot move during certain days. So that's why I have a sort of like a layout of what I'm going to do.
and I note it in my Google Calendar so that I can visualize it and see what I'm planning to do. Today, for example, basically I had a lesson in the morning, and which lasts till 9:30, and I'm planning to come to school at 11 and do some programming. Then I have like a meeting of the French club, and I'm going to speak French there. It's gonna last for 1 hour, so basically I think I'll just take the available room at school, or maybe go somewhere else in the territory of the school. So it's not going to be a problem anyway. And in the evening I also have a lesson for 2 hours, the English lesson. And yeah, that's it. During this events, I'm planning to do programming, to learn, and hope that the day will be productive. So I'm just in the break room or conference room, let's say, at school, and waiting for the French club to start. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting there and have a French meeting.
Et pourquoi, dans ce cas, l'entreprise va payer moins?
Ça vraiment dépend des gens, donc ce que vous voulez, comment vous pouvez travailler. Et oui, du coup, on a les questions pour vous. Le télétravail, c'est le rêve, et comment c'est... Oui, quelle option c'est le rêve pour vous?
Rester chez toi ou aller à travail?
J'aurais quand même... y a juste une porte à ouvrir et ça y est, quoi.
I'm going back to school, just ate a sandwich because I needed to eat something. I was like starving, dying, and really wanted to eat. And yeah, right now I feel more energized, and yeah, because I needed to eat something quickly, so that's why I took a sandwich. But anyway, like in the territory of the school, there are lots of cafes where you can grab some food, and there used to be like vending machines with some sandwiches and salads as well, but right now, because of the quarantine, they are closed. You can't eat in school, so that's why you need to go outside. And yeah, that's why I bought a sandwich, and right now I feel more energized. It's important to eat because it gives you energy, and like your brain starts working. Yeah, going back.
Я вот только победила.
Initially, my plan was to do teaching today at home. I have an English class in the evening, 7:30 p.m. But I was like in a working flow at school, so that's I decided to stay here until the lesson starts. And so right now I'm with my laptop. I'm gonna do the lesson online, and here in this, like, I think it's conference room or something like that. It's very very big. It's very convenient that we have such classrooms, let's say, and I'm really happy with that. So I think I'm gonna have a lesson, and then we'll come back home. I think I'm so tired of programming, so that I need to like rest a little bit, and then with new energy start the next day. Hello, how are you doing? So I've just come back home, and probably, as you can see from my eyes, I'm a bit tired. not really a bit, I am tired. And yeah, it's been a long day, and I've been studying a lot, and actually I did a lot. And you know what? Just, I don't want you to think that just all of my learning path consists of this kind of days. Then I work, then I have projects, then I also study. No, it's not like that. For example, yesterday I didn't study at all, because I was stuck with some things the day before yesterday, and just I decided that I really needed to rest in order to have new ideas in my mind and a clear vision on what I'm doing. And yeah, I allowed myself to rest, and yeah, it bared the fruits actually for today, because I felt really productive and motivated, and I did a lot of stuff as I can feel, as well as it's very important to have some breaks during the day. For example, me, just I showed you, like, okay, I've worked like for 2 hours in the morning, then I had French classes, then I went for lunch, and then I've been working for a lot of time, but I actually made a lot of pauses. Like, I used Pomodoro method, so I did like sprints for 25 minutes, then 5 minutes break, and then a long break of 20 minutes, I guess, and I went for coffee, I ate some snacks, and so that kept me energized. And switching between tasks like teaching or French club also gives me some energy. I also I have some conversation with peers, even though we like sit a little bit far from each other, but still we can talk. And yeah, it's very important to have breaks, to have some rest if you need, and also, like, the thing that I'm not like studying this for the entire month or every day. No, it's just because I have a deadline on 31st of July, and it's the 15th of July, and the project that I'm working on, it's like still halfway through, and then I need also, when it's done, I need to check to verify that everything is correct, and so it takes a lot of time, and I plan to finish it, like the raw version of it, by the end of this week. So that's why I need to focus and to really work hard on that in order to accomplish these things. And yeah, that's it. Just and also, if I feel that I'm really, really tired, I know that it's very important to take like maybe 1 day break and just do nothing at all about studying. So that's the idea. And tonight when I come back home, I think I'll just play the piano, relax a little bit, and go to bed. And then tomorrow in the morning I'll wake up and go to school as well. And that's the plan for tomorrow. Hope it will be as productive as it was today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it was interesting for you to know how the 1 day of the life of this software developer student looks like. How if you are studying software engineering, if you're studying programming, let me know how your day looks like. How do you increase your productivity, and what do you think of all of the stuff that I was talking about today? Bye bye.